Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video, and I just wanted to make a quick one here on version 2.7 that just got released for VitaDB downloader, and you can update it through the app here as I did. And there has been a ton of different fixes and changes to the app, and you can find it here under changelog, and I'll also provide a link to the GitHub so you can check it out there. And if you need that VPK, I'll have that link as well in the comment section. It's just exciting to see that the dev is back and working on VitaDB downloader, and not only that, working on new ports that I was notified through Discord. So you'll be seeing some new updates here and new releases coming in the next week or so. Now if you hit square on, for example, Nazi zombies, you'll actually favorite that, which is a nice and convenient way to favorite all of your homebrews, because there is a ton of stuff in here and they have improved the filter system. So just a lot of great things coming to the PS Vita community here for the homebrew scene, the PSP homebrews, and I feel like this is a lot snappier than the last version, so it's working very well. I'm not waiting too long to go to the next category and things like that, but these themes are amazing. These are some of my favorite themes, like the Crisis Core, the Gohan 2. Let's change the theme here, and it changes fairly quickly once you have it downloaded. Now VitaDB has been one of the first databases ever made for the PS Vita for all of the homebrew, so you can find everything on here pretty easily. Now under filters we'll find new categories, which is AI assisted apps and vibe coded apps. Let's go to the sort mode, and this looks pretty solid for the most part, and it's fairly easy to navigate through this UI. You can press start to view the screenshots here. You can press select for more options, and here we have install, add to favorites, view homebrew requirements, view screenshots, view source code page, view release page, and view changelog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this new kind of bite-sized type of video that I'll try to do on a daily basis, so that way you guys are updated to the latest and greatest updates to the Vita homebrew scene. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this new update, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.